Hi everyone, it's Alina and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of delicious and healthy drinks that can help you detoxify your body naturally. We're all about feeling our best, and sometimes our bodies need a little extra help to flush out toxins and stay in tip-top shape. So, if you're ready to revitalize your routine and give your body a refreshing boost, these 5 powerful drinks are here to help. We'll explore the unique benefits of each drink and how they can help you achieve your wellness goals. Get ready to sip your way to a healthier you. Let's get started. Let's start our detox journey with a classic lemon water. This simple drink is incredibly effective. Lemons are a natural diuretic, which means they help flush out toxins by increasing urine production. Plus, they're packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps boost your immune system. To make lemon water, simply squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm or cold water. You can adjust the amount of lemon juice to your liking. For an extra flavor boost, try adding a few slices of cucumber or a sprig of mint. Drink this refreshing beverage first thing in the morning to kickstart your metabolism and hydrate your body after a long night. Next up, we have green tea, a powerhouse of antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your body from harmful free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to various health issues. Green tea is particularly rich in a type of antioxidant called catechins, which have been linked to numerous health benefits, including improved brain function and a lower risk of certain diseases. To brew the perfect cup of green tea, simply steep a tea bag or loose leaf tea in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes. Avoid oversteeping, as it can make the tea taste bitter. You can enjoy green tea hot or cold, and it can be enjoyed throughout the day. For a sweeter taste, try adding a touch of honey or a natural sweetener of your choice. If you're looking for a detox drink that can also soothe your stomach, ginger tea is an excellent choice. Ginger has long been used for its digestive benefits. It helps to reduce nausea, bloating, and indigestion. It also contains compounds that can help to detoxify the body by promoting healthy digestion and eliminating waste products more efficiently. To make ginger tea, simply grate a small piece of fresh ginger root and simmer it in water for 10 to 15 minutes. You can add a squeeze of lemon juice or a drizzle of honey for added flavor. Sip on ginger tea after meals to aid digestion or enjoy it anytime you need a soothing and warming drink. Apple cider vinegar might not sound like the most appealing drink, but its detoxifying properties are worth noting. It helps to balance your body's pH levels, which can become more acidic due to factors like diet and stress. Apple cider vinegar is also believed to support liver function, which plays a crucial role in detoxification. To make an apple cider vinegar drink, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with a glass of water. It's essential to dilute apple cider vinegar, as its acidity can be harsh on your teeth. Drink this mixture once or twice a day, preferably before meals. Last but not least, we have cucumber mint water, a super refreshing and hydrating detox drink. Cucumbers are natural diuretics, helping to flush out toxins, while mint aids digestion and can help to reduce bloating. This drink is also incredibly hydrating, which is essential for overall health and detoxification. To make cucumber mint water, simply slice up a cucumber and a handful of fresh mint leaves. Add them to a pitcher of water and let it infuse in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. You can enjoy this revitalizing drink throughout the day for a refreshing and detoxifying boost. So there you have it, 5 powerful and delicious drinks that can help you detox your body naturally. Whether you prefer a zesty lemon water, a soothing ginger tea, or a refreshing cucumber mint infusion, there's a detox drink for everyone. Remember to listen to your body and choose the drinks that make you feel your best. And, as always, it's a good idea to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. If you enjoyed these detox drink ideas, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more healthy living tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching.